In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from Samsung phone. First, we need to open the My Files app. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a blue folder icon. My Files is essential because it allows you to access and manage all the files stored on your device. Once you tap on the app, you will see a clean interface displaying various categories like images, audio, and documents. This is where you can organize and streamline your files efficiently. Now that you have My Files open, navigate to the folder that contains the file you want to delete. You can browse through different categories or tap on the internal storage to find your folder. The layout is user-friendly, so it should be easy to locate your desired folder. This step is crucial because it ensures you are targeting the right file for deletion. Once you locate the folder, tap on it to open it. You will see all the files within ready for your selection. Next, find the specific file you wish to delete. Once you spot it, touch and hold the file until a menu appears. This action selects the file, allowing you to perform further actions on it. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your files. By holding the file, you initiate the deletion process and gain access to additional options. Remember, taking a moment to ensure you have the right file selected is essential to avoid accidentally deleting something important. Once you have selected the file, you can choose to select more files if needed. If you want to delete multiple files at once, simply tap on each additional file you wish to include. This is perfect for cleaning up your device quickly, as it saves time compared to deleting files one by one. The selected files will be highlighted, confirming that they are ready for deletion. This collective action can significantly streamline your file management tasks. After selecting all the files you want to delete, tap the Delete option. You will find this option at the top of the screen. This step is vital as it initiates the deletion process. Upon tapping Delete, your device will prompt you to confirm your choice. This confirmation step acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions. It's always good to double-check before permanently removing files. Finally, tap Move to Trash to confirm your deletion. This action does not permanently delete the files right away. Instead, it moves them to the trash. This means you can recover them if you change your mind later. Understanding this feature is important as it provides a safety net for your files. Once you confirm, you will see a small notification indicating that your files have been moved to the trash. Now that you know how to delete files from your Samsung phone, you can keep your device organized and free of unnecessary clutter. Regularly managing your files helps improve your device's performance and storage efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.